guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I carry in my work bag or just my bag in general. I feel like I don't really have like a regular bag. I either have my work bag or my crossbody, which is actually pretty small. So before we get started though, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family and you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, just more laid back, more chill back. You know what I mean? Anyways guys, with that said, let's just jump into the video. Cleaned out my bag, so it's gonna be like a declutter as well. I'm not gonna go in any order. I'm just gonna start taking random stuff out and just share with you guys what I carry in here. Some things do not belong in here, but I'm gonna declutter as we go. So the first thing that I have in here is my Opti-Free Pure Moist Re-Wetting Drops. I actually wear contacts, and when I'm out and about or just out and about in general, my contacts sometimes get dirty or they get dry or whatever. So I carry this with me. I'm gonna put that right there because that's gonna go back in there. I also have the belt. This is a belt that I actually used when I used to work at a restaurant as a hostess. I don't work anymore, so I don't know what this is doing in here, but that has to go somewhere else. I also have some gum in here. I was about to say it's gonna be a shook it if there's like no gum in here, but there's actually gum in here. Okay, so I have my ID and I have some cards. I'm surprised. I'm actually pretty surprised that these cards are actually not inside my wallet and they're just laying around there. Who am I? I have a $20 bill. Fun fact about me, I never carry cash. It's rare when I do carry cash because I spend all my cash, but it's rare when I do. So $20 bill, huge shout out to that bill. I have my glasses. These glasses I actually just bought. They're not fancy or anything like that, so don't even start like, what brand are those? No. All of my jewelry that you guys always ask me, my accessories, my glasses, everything is from a local store here in Vegas where I buy all of my clothes. So aren't these so cute? Like these glasses, this copy here, like, girl, you bougie. I'm not bougie at all. Like, I'm not bougie at all, but I carry glasses. I don't even know why I carry them because I'm like never outside, so I don't know. I have this here. This is my vitamin enriched face base, but it's not face base. It's actually hand lotion that I carry in the jar. I mean, hello, it's a $60 product. Might as well reuse the jar. I love reusing things. Like, reusable things are like my thing. Oh, that's actually a fun fact. That should have been in my 50 random facts video. You know what I mean? Because I love to reuse things. You guys know my obsession with like reusable cups, reusing jars, reusing bags. I reuse my coffee, what are these called? I don't know. This thing, I cannot think of the name, but I know it. But I love to reuse like this thing where like my coffee, I don't know, I wash them and I reuse them for brushes. Anyways, I love to reuse things. So that's that. I have a Victoria's Secret Bombshell Spray. The only reason why I got this one is because the Very Sexy one was actually sold out. But I love the Very Sexy one. What else do I have in here? I have a hair clip, which you always need. I have the Vaseline Lip Therapy, which if you guys saw my recent beauty or skincare favorites, you guys saw this, best one out there and super affordable as well. I have my Apple Watch, with which Jesus actually gifted me this Apple Watch for, I want to say Valentine's? Yeah, Valentine's. He gifted me this watch. I love this watch, not only because of the time, you guys, or whatever, but because it also has apps and notifications. If I am like working on my computer or whatever, also my laptop is usually always in here, but I'm actually using it as a monitor. Ooh, that coffee has me on another level. But I usually never like to have my phone near me when I'm working, so I usually have this, and if I have like a very important notification, then it's gonna let me know. So that's that. Actually, it just let me know something. My best friend just Snapchatted me. Next up, I have this right here, which I'll go over. I have 2 sugar packets in my work bag. Sugar in your work bag, girl. Yes. Because you never know when you might be just around and you're trying to drink something and you need sugar, you know? So I have sugar packets. I actually have tea bags in here too, which I'll share with you guys in a second. I have my journal. I used to carry like my big planner, but I stopped carrying my big planner because one, it's just too big. And then two, now I only carry this with me. And if I have to like transfer any information or anything like that to my planner, then I'll do so. My planner is always in my little desk area, but this is it right here. This is just a journal where I just plan out my videos, or I take with me all the time, because if I'm out and about and an idea comes to my mind or anything, I have to write it down, because I'm the type of person that will forget. Okay. And then inside the planner, I also have these planner sheets. These are the planner refill sheets, which are supposed to go in like a smaller planner, but I don't really use like an actual small planner. I like more of like a journal, because like I said, I like to write things down. But basically what these are, it just says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then weekend. And you have slots to kind of write things down. So what I like to do is I'll write stuff when I'm like on the go or when I'm working or whatever, and then I'll transfer like important dates over to my actual like big planner. For example, on Tuesday I had a dentist appointment. These actually come in handy when I'm like on the go, so I like to keep this with me all the time. I also carry a book, which I actually right now I'm carrying two, because this one I'm almost done reading. It's the 4 Agreements. And then this one I'm actually autoing it. Is it autoing it? Autoing it? No. I'm listening to the audio version, but I like to actually like go in there and like take notes as I'm going. So this is the Building an Empire by Elena Cardone. It's a really good book. And then the 4 Agreements, which I'm almost done, but I always like to keep a book in my bag, because I feel like if I'm out and about or whatever and I'm bored, the best thing to do is just grab a book. You know, knowledge is power, kids. Knowledge is power. Next up, I have this Michael Kors bag, which has nothing in here but bobby pins. So obviously this can be used to carry all of this. I carry my favorite deodorant. I have some pills. These are for like headache or whatever. Jesus always has a headache, so I always carry them. I have my headphones, which I use every single day, like every single day. Those come in handy. Headphones. I actually want to get the AirPods, but for now I'm broke, so I have to use that. I have a pad, which I don't know when I'm gonna get my period, but just in case I do get my period and I don't know, I'm on the go or something, a pad always comes in handy. If not for your bebecita, then for yourself, you know? Whew, I feel like I have so much shit in here that I don't even need. I have a receipt paper thingy. I have tea bags. I actually have, how many tea bags do I have? Woo, girl, get your life together. I have 3 tea bags because if you guys did not know, fun fact about me, I love drinking tea or like hot water. I don't know, I feel like a lot of people think that's weird. Like I'll be eating a donut and I can have it with like a cute little cup of tea or like hot water or just, you know, in general. The other time we went to this steakhouse and I actually ordered hot water and I used one of my tea bags. So I have the organic lemon ginger and I have organic English breakfast tea. So black tea and ginger tea. I also have these breakfast biscuits because your girl never eats breakfast. So like if I'm on the go, if I'm gonna go work at Starbucks or whatever, I need to have just something in there, you know? I have a small brush. This is a Real Techniques Deluxe Concealer Brush. Why do I have a concealer brush in here? I don't even have concealer in here, but I have this brush, which is gonna go back into my brush case because I don't know why I have that. I also have the Shade and Light Contour, which I wasn't obsessed with the contour powder, but I use the mirror in this. You know, if I'm on the go and I have a moco or something, I use that to go. I also have these very, very, very tiny and cute Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. These come in handy if you're just on the go, like I said, and you want to remove the bait. I have a USB cable because, like I said, I do carry my laptop with me all the time. I have my food handler's card. I have my sheriff's card, my TAM card, whatever. I have a pen, a pencil, and then a blue pen. I love pens. I have a wrapper of a La Manita de la Suerte paleta. I also have this small cross with like a red kind of stone that my tia gifted me for Christmas, which I need to find like something to wear, you know. I have my friend's YouTube card. I need to get these cards. By the way, this is Don Yolo7. Go subscribe to him. I have change, pure change. And then, I mean, hello, no surprise, but I'm going to see if I could like unglue this so you guys can see what I have in here. I have a lash. That's why most of the time I don't get to reuse my lashes like 30 times how they advertise them, because I just take them off out of nowhere and I throw them in my purse. I have the Galactic Posh Lip Paint, which is one of my favorites. And that is it, you guys. That is it. This bag actually carries a lot of stuff in here, and I love it because it's just like very wobbly, you know, and it's just like, I don't know, it's just perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for just like helping me declutter my bag, because I feel like a lot of the times I want to clean, but I don't want to do it alone. So having you guys with me is just like perfect, you know what I mean? Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. If you missed some of my recent uploads, I'm also going to leave them somewhere on the screen. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram. Even though Instagram and Snapchat were both down yesterday, like how? How am I supposed to function without social media? Anyways, guys, with that said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.